We are pleased to show you 2012 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, trip odometer, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Kissee Ford is a family-owned business that is currently enjoying its 60th year as a Ford dealer in Claremore. I don't know if you've seen from our online reviews, our goal at Kissee Ford is to cultivate repeat customers. I believe this is one reason we have enjoyed 60 years in business. We do this by giving each customer the dignity, courtesy, and honesty that they deserve, not only during the sales process, but throughout their entire ownership experience. At Kissee Ford, you will always receive the fairest and best price possible. For all of our customers, I want to say thank you. To those who have never tried us, I invite you to come see Kissee and experience our sales and ownership process. I think you will enjoy the difference.